In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to hit Biometrics. Tap on Face Recognition. Enter your current screen lock and then choose Continue. Remember to keep your face in frame, wait for 100% mark and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!